Now that we've completed our merge letter, we might want to have an envelope. So let's go into layout mode and let's create a new layout. Now envelopes we're going to use again one of the assistants because it just makes it easier. You can do it manually, but I just find it easier to do this way. And again, with print layouts, except for something like a merge letter, but a label or an envelope or something like that, just much easier to use the assistants. Although again, it's going to be far less times when you use the assistants because you're going to have a lot more, in my experience, a lot more data entry layouts and find layouts than you will print layouts. So let's go ahead and find the correct envelope assistant. We'll call it print envelope. There we go. We'll click next. We'll go and find our fields, and this works a lot like labels, the same little interface for adding the fields. So we're going to go and do it really quickly because we've done it once before. Name first, name last. We forgot the company, so we'll hit a return here, put the company in there. There we go. Go down to the end here, add address 1, return address 2, then find city, comma space, and state's down here somewhere. There we go. Postal code, and then we're done. We'll click next, view it in layout mode, hit finish, and there you go. It's that simple. Now one of the things you may have to do is adjust where this text block is. You may have to move it to the left or to the right depending on what you want. You can also come in here and type in your return address if you want. It's right justified because of our default, so we'll set it to left justified, and you just simply type in what you need. There we go. Get my whole address in there. So again, you can move these around. Try printing it out. Move it down here if it's not quite in the right spot. Move this around if it's not quite in the right spot. In fact, we might want to get this a little bit smaller. Let's make this into 9 point. That looks better. You can make this font bigger if you want. I mean, this is fully editable at this point. It's just giving you basically an idea how to use this, and you really need to tweak it a little bit. Now, the other thing you may need to do is go into page setup or print setup and come in here and change it to landscape. You may not. It all depends on your printer. So try printing once, and if it comes out rotated, well, then you're going to have to change it to landscape, and then that should help you to print out properly. So all depends on your printer. I can't tell you exactly what you need to do, but this envelope assistant will get you started off in the right direction. Just try a couple of printouts and you'll be set.